Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra render show Penta rear camera setup, production tip to have begun. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra leaks have been abundant, and the latest round comprised details on possible production commencement and an updated render that shows rear camera tweaks to the most premium model in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Samsung is expected to introduce the next generation S-series flagship sometime in January next year. The Samsung Galaxy S21 series is expected to offer three models this time around: the vanilla Samsung Galaxy S21, Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. The nomenclature is not certain yet, as there are speculations that the series could be called Samsung Galaxy S30 as well. Tipster Steve Hemmerstoffer, aka OnLeaks, shared an updated render of Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra on Voice. Hemmerstoffer claimed that his sources have shared some changes to the camera setup on the top model. The DVT, Design Validation Test, prototype, essentially the final prototype before mass production, has an additional unknown sensor inside the camera module, that wasn't there before. OnLeaks had earlier shared renders of Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra a few weeks ago, and at that time, the images had a quad rear camera setup with flash support. The updated render has 5 cutouts, with the fifth one having an unknown sensor. The details of this sensor are not known yet. Past leaks suggest that Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra may run Android 11-based One UI 3.0 and feature a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a high refresh rate of 144 Hz. It may be powered by an Exynos 2100 SoC for various markets including India, whereas China and the US may get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 SoC instead. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is tipped to include a 108-megapixel primary rear shooter, and a 40-megapixel selfie snapper. It is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery and may support S Pen. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.